Right guys, we're off to Bang Niang Market tonight. I'll just show you around Bang Niang and show you the stalls, the food market area and the bars at the top end. So on the left here you got the green pepper. I'm not too sure what that restaurant's called. So if you've been to Bang Niang before, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of it. Okay, you're going to get a crazy golf. There is a little crazy golf course in this bar here, which you can see there. Okay, tattoo. So I'll just show you the bars at the top first of all. So you got the mojitos, 60 bahts. All freshly made. Tattoo. Banana bar, restaurants. You can see there. Look at that new Stella there. Fancy Panzer Stella. A Roy restaurant. Massage parlour. And here at the end you've got the tiki bar. Just pop my head into the tiki bar, just show you quickly inside. There you have it, tiki bar. Okay, so let's go down to these stalls here and just show you through the stalls. Tiki bar. Okay, so you've got your single, your beers there, sweaty cap. There you go, coffin cap. So I'll just keep panning side to side so you can see the variety of stalls that they do have here. So you've got your replica watches, as you can see there. The trainers. Again, I bet they're not genuine. What do you look at though? What do you think? Okay. Sunglasses, 250 bahts. Do not drop the sunglasses, it says. Bracelets. Over that side. Some of these lamps. Look at these lamps here. What do you think of these? How good are they? Okay, some are lit up here. There you go. Little crystals. Okay. If you've got the beatbox, you can get a beatbox here. Okay. Bag stall. Get your football shirts here. Got a cap. These balls here. You can get a bargain here, you just got to haggle for it. But I have found in some of the shops outside the market cheaper than what they are in the market. Hence why you got to haggle. It's always good to have a look up at the price. Okay, so you've got a spice and herb shop there. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, give us a thumbs down. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. Oh, that's my channel at the end of the day, but I do appreciate your support. So we'll walk in this little section here. Then I'll go down the other section, but I'll not go down there because it's more or less the same with what you've just seen. Most of these stalls you can actually just walk through from the other side. I would just walk down. You can see the elephant pants, bag shop, scarves. There we go, look at these. Thanks. Right, so your Lucky Charm stuff there, Lucky Cats. More shirts. My side, boxer shorts. Then all your shorts and t-shirts and stuff. Yeah, your fleet bowls, etc. See there. Again, with a bag shop. Hats, if you want a hat, you can pick up a hat here for a good bargain. The best not good with my frog hat. Look at these soaps here, all hand carved, swaddy cap. How much are these?
200.
200 baht.
And when you buy more, I can discount, sir.
Okay, so it really says the 300 for the biggest and 400. Let me know what you think in the comments. How pretty are they? And it smells absolutely gorgeous. They smell lovely.
Good for room, for toilet, for aroma.
Yeah.
And when they smell different, sir.
Yes, I can smell the really nice.
It's hand making for I doing. Yeah.
Okay.
That's soap.
Okay, so she makes them from that soap there. All hand carved. How long does it take to carve?
20 minutes for
20
1 hour.
minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, cup and cap.
Okay.
Monkeys, coconut monkeys. So what do you think of them soaps? Amazing. Okay, so we'll go out to the next row of shops and stalls. So stay with me. These dream catchers, how pretty are these? Hey? Really good. And jewellery for sale as well. Okay. Swaddy cap. Okay. Look bar. Again, more lanterns. Look at that. How cool are they? Really like the elephant ones though. Bag shawl, stall, jeans. Want to pick a pair of jeans up. Again, bracelets. Scarves and cushions. Again, salt carving again. How pretty are they? Hey. Cashmere sale, but I bet it's not real cashmere. You can see there. Oh, I don't feel like it. So let me know what you think of Bang Niang so far. I like these as well. You see them on the beach and just spin round like the way they do. As you can see. Please take me home. Okay, so we'll go down to the food section now. We'll just keep walking down here. I like them as well. They look nice in my garden. So we'll probably pick a dress up and get a dress from here. Plenty of wind chimes. And then more jewellery. So different styles of elephant pants here. We'll take any toys home for children, to pick some up there. For them there. Okay, so we're now in the food area, the food courts. As you can see, there's plenty of fruit stalls here. Dried fruits, if you want some dried fruits, take home, or take back to your hotel with coffee and tea. Then more soaps. You've got your scarves, your herbs here. Okay, I'm not welcome there because it's more or less the same. Okay, so stay with me. I'm going to have a look around for the food courts. We have the barbecue, prawns, lobster, fish, all freshly cut for you on the barbecue. Just walk down this section here now. So, plenty of little bars here, as you can see. You've got Donna chicken kebab here. Look at that. Hello, sweaty cat. There you go. Smells absolutely delicious. So, plenty of areas to sit down and eat your food once you've ordered. You bring it to your table. There you go. Just give you an idea of some prices here. There you go. Now the prices, they are advertised and they can't charge you any more because outside of Bang Niang Market there's actually a big sign that gives you the free price of each food. So for example, A chicken nugget costs 10 baht. You've got to charge 10 baht. Okay. Notice it's all pre-cooked. You've got some ribs, cooked over fresh barbecue, bowls. These pots are empty. Put some fresh charcoal in, and that's the outcome. Ribs, belly pork. And it's all made to measure. Cocktails. It's all clear. That's the barbecue to cook it on. There's some corn there being cooked now. As you can see, it's all been pre-cooked. And what you do is you just bang it back on the barbecue and reheat it. So let me know what you think. Have you eaten street food here in Thailand? What do you think of street food? Do you like it? So like you can see, thanks for your choice to choose from. Mr. Barbecue here. Again, ribs, kebabs, belly pork. Again, cooking. See. Okay, here is a toilet bar. There's some decent cocktails here, nice and cheap, not too expensive, reasonably priced. Mojito bar next door to that, which is only 60 bahts for mojito. I've got to talk over that, use it there for copyrights, nobody get a copyright strike. Again, body cap. These are all the insects. 100 bahts, try some insects in a little cup. Not for me. Have you tried insects in Thailand? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so you got your banana rotis. They're cooking away. Fresh juices, fruits. And your ice cream. Let's just go this side here now. See there, quite busy. So you can see the size of the market, it's actually huge. Decent size, plenty to choose from. Okay, let me know what you think. You got some rotisserie chicken here being cooked fresh. Looks absolutely delicious. The smell's absolutely delicious. See, you got prawn kebabs here and stuff. Look at that. You got some prices there, as you can see. More fresh fish here, some being cooked now. There you go. There's some more prices for you. Squid, prawns, fish. You can buy your beers. Okay. There's also toilets and sites as well if you need toilets. So that's it, that's Bang Niang Market. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down twice. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell as well, excuse me. Hit the little bell as well. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video. Catch you later. See you soon. Bye bye.